Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to show you how to add or delete list from Trello. For that, we will just go to our board. You can choose any one of your boards, and then here is some of the lists that I have created into my rain board here. Now, just tap on this three dots option from here. You will find it any top of the list. Now, once you do that, you will find this archive this list option. Just tap on that and the list will be archived from your board. And now we are going to see where it has gone. Now go to your menu bar from here, tap on archived items, then tap on switch to list. As it is a list that we have archived or deleted, just tap on switch to list and you can see this list that I have archived from earlier. Actually, I was on the card section here that I have archived. So if you have archived a card section, you will have to go to the card. And if you have archived the list option, then you have to switch to the list option here. Now I will delete this done list here also as I don't need it anymore. So I will just tap on this three dots option, click on archive this list, and now it has been deleted or archived from the board. If you have too much list on your board, you should delete the unnecessary ones and just keep the necessary items that are going to help you throughout the day. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.